Dating is often portrayed as a straightforward journey: go on dates, find the right person, and settle down. But the reality is far more complex, especially when faced with rejection or indifference from a potential partner. Making someone miss you isn't a matter of simple manipulation. It requires a deeper understanding of human psychology and emotions. So, if you're here seeking advice on how to make a woman miss you, you're in the right place. Let's start with the fundamental truth: self-improvement is key. It might not be the quick fix you're hoping for, but it's the most effective long-term strategy. When you work on yourself, you become more attractive not just to the woman you're interested in, but to others as well. Why? Because self-improvement signals confidence, ambition, and self-awareness, all qualities that are universally appealing. Before we delve into the specifics of how to make her miss you, let's establish some ground rules. These are principles that will guide you in your quest to become a more desirable partner. Rule number 1: keep your enthusiasm in check. It's natural to feel excited about someone you're interested in, but going overboard with your expressions of affection can be a turn-off. Instead, focus on getting to know her as a person and showing genuine interest in her life and interests. This will make her feel valued and respected, increasing the likelihood that she'll miss your presence when you're not around. Stoic quote: "Happiness and freedom begin with a clear understanding of one principle: some things are within our control, and some things are not." Epictetus. Rule number 2: embrace the power of mystery. Women are drawn to men who keep them guessing, so don't reveal everything about yourself all at once. Leave room for curiosity and intrigue by maintaining a bit of unpredictability in your interactions. This could mean delaying your responses to her messages or surprising her with unexpected gestures. By keeping her on her toes, you'll keep her interested and eager for more. Stoic quote: "The key is to keep company only with people who uplift you, whose presence calls forth your best." Epictetus. Rule number 3: don't rush into commitment. While it's natural to want to take your relationship to the next level, pushing for commitment too soon can backfire. Instead, focus on building a strong emotional connection and letting things progress naturally. If she feels pressured or overwhelmed, she's less likely to miss you when you're apart. Give her the time and space she needs to develop genuine feelings for you. Stoic quote: "He who follows reason in all things is both tranquil and active at the same time, and also cheerful and collected." Marcus Aurelius. Rule number 4: confidence is key. Insecurity is a major turn-off for women, so focus on building your self-esteem and self-assurance. This means refraining from seeking constant validation or reassurance from her and being comfortable in your own skin. Confidence is attractive because it signals that you're secure in yourself and your abilities, which in turn makes you more desirable as a partner. Stoic quote: "The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts." Marcus Aurelius. Rule number 5: master the art of communication. Effective communication is essential in any relationship, so make sure you're expressing yourself clearly and honestly. Avoid playing games or resorting to passive-aggressive behavior, as this will only create unnecessary tension and drama. Instead, be open and honest about your feelings and intentions, and encourage her to do the same. By fostering open and honest communication, you'll create a strong foundation for your relationship to thrive. Stoic quote: "Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be." Be one. Marcus Aurelius. Rule number 6: show her that you're worth missing. This means investing time and effort into yourself and your personal growth. Pursue your passions and interests, set goals for yourself, and strive to become the best version of yourself possible. When she sees that you're actively working to improve yourself and create a fulfilling life, she'll be more likely to miss your presence and want to be a part of it. Stoic quote, "It is not death that a man should fear, but he should fear never beginning to live." Marcus Aurelius. Now that we've established the ground rules, let's explore some practical strategies for making her miss you. First and foremost, focus on building a strong emotional connection. This means spending quality time together, engaging in meaningful conversations, and really getting to know each other on a deeper level. When she feels emotionally connected to you, she'll naturally miss your presence when you're not around. Next, create anticipation and excitement by mixing things up and keeping her guessing. Surprise her with spontaneous outings or thoughtful gestures, and don't be afraid to be a little mysterious. Leave her wanting more by ending conversations on a high note or teasing her with hints of future plans. By keeping things fresh and exciting, you'll keep her engaged and eager to spend more time with you. Another important strategy is to give her space to miss you. While it's tempting to constantly be in contact with her, resist the urge to bombard her with messages or calls. Instead, give her the freedom to pursue her own interests and activities, and use this time to focus on yourself and your own personal growth. When she sees that you're not dependent on her for your happiness, she'll be more likely to miss your presence and value the time you spend together. In addition to giving her space, make sure to maintain your own independence and autonomy. Don't lose yourself in the relationship or become overly reliant on her for validation or approval. Continue to pursue your own interests and friendships, and make time for activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. When she sees that you're a confident and self-assured individual with a fulfilling life of your own, she'll be more likely to miss your presence and want to be a part of it. Finally, be patient and give her time to miss you. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are strong, lasting relationships. Trust that the connection you've built with her will continue to grow over time, and resist the urge to rush things or force the relationship to progress faster than it naturally would. By being patient and allowing things to unfold organically, you'll create a solid foundation for a healthy, fulfilling relationship built on mutual respect, trust, and love. In conclusion, making a woman miss you isn't about playing games or manipulating her emotions. It's about building a strong emotional connection, fostering open and honest communication, and investing time and effort into yourself and your personal growth. By following these strategies and staying true to yourself, you'll not only make her miss you when you're apart, but you'll also create a strong, lasting bond that will stand the test of time. And remember, if you've found these insights valuable and are hungry for more relationship tips and advice, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on all our latest content, including future lessons and guides on how to navigate the complexities of dating and relationships. Join our community of like-minded individuals committed to personal growth and meaningful connections. Together, let's embark on this journey towards becoming our best selves and creating fulfilling relationships. Hit that subscribe button now and let's grow together.